This breast firming system keeps showing up in ads, so I checked it out for you. We're going over what it is, what people say, and if it's worth trying. The Perki Restoration Trilogy is a 3-step at-home skincare set for firmer-looking breasts. It includes a topical oil, a cream, and a handheld device that uses red and blue LED light plus vibration massage. You apply the products and use the device for about 20 minutes a day. The company says it boosts collagen, improves skin texture, and gives a lifted appearance using technology similar to what plastic surgeons use after procedures. The marketing sets high expectations for visible changes without surgery. Quick background check. The main site tryperki.com is relatively new, around mid-2025. Scam Advisor and Gridinsoft give medium trust scores with some caution due to the young domain. Trustpilot for related Perki products shows mixed ratings around 3.2 from limited reviews. Support is email-based, and they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. User experiences are limited and mixed. Some women report smoother skin, slight firmness, and enjoying the routine after consistent use. A few say it helped them feel more confident in their clothes. Many others notice minimal changes and feel the results don't match the strong before and after claims in the ads. Pros: easy daily routine, combines topicals with light therapy, long 90-day refund window. Cons: brand is fairly new, premium price, results are usually subtle. One important consideration: red light therapy has some science for skin collagen, but dramatic breast lifting or size changes from a home device are unlikely. Best results seem to come from consistent use plus healthy habits. It is not a replacement for surgery or professional treatments. Overall, Perki Restoration Trilogy appears to be a basic at-home skincare system with mixed expectations. It may be worth considering if you want a gentle daily ritual and can test it during the refund period, but there are more established skincare options and realistic approaches available. For significant concerns, talk to a dermatologist or plastic surgeon. This video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making a decision. That's it for this one. Subscribe if you want more simple and honest product reviews.